Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we track real classic motorcycles for sale, real listings, and real prices across America. Let's jump straight into today's market finds. Number 1. 1982 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $5,000, Ohio. This 1982 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead represents the final era of factory shovel production, paired here with a 5-speed transmission. With around 41,000 miles, this bike is described as running but in need of light recommissioning, which is typical for a shovelhead that's still being used rather than stored away. These late-model shovels are popular because they offer classic Harley character while being more usable than earlier 4-speed examples. At this price point, it sits firmly in rider territory rather than collector-only status. For someone looking to own a real shovelhead without paying premium restoration money, this example offers an accessible entry into vintage Harley ownership with plenty of room for personal improvement over time. Number 2. 1978 Honda CB550, $1,200, North Carolina. This 1978 Honda CB550 comes from the final years of Honda's single overhead cam inline-4 design. The bike has been sitting, so carb cleaning and a new battery are expected, but the listing also notes a full top-end rebuild completed in 2015. With upgraded bars, a 4-into-1 exhaust, and refreshed consumables, this CB550 fits the classic Japanese standard profile perfectly. These bikes are known for smooth power delivery, strong reliability once serviced, and excellent aftermarket support. At this price, it's clearly positioned as a light project or budget rider, ideal for someone who wants to get hands-on with a classic Honda without major financial risk. Number 3. 1970 BMW R75/5, $4,950, Florida. The BMW R75/5 is widely considered one of the most important models in BMW motorcycle history, marking the transition to modern production methods. This example is described as a driver-quality bike with matching numbers and recent servicing, including tires, battery, and fluids. Everything reportedly functions correctly, and it includes the original toolkit and owner's manual, details that matter to BMW enthusiasts. These air-cooled boxers are known for durability, smooth touring manners, and long-term parts availability. At just under $5,000, this R75/5 represents a solid balance between originality, usability, and long-term ownership value. Number 4. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650, $4,000, Georgia. Kawasaki's KZ650 is often overshadowed by the larger KZ900 and KZ1000, but many riders consider it the better balanced machine. This 1977 example shows under 18,000 miles and has recently received extensive mechanical updates, including tires, brakes, chain, sprockets, and fluids. Everything is reported to work as it should, making this a turnkey classic rather than a project. The air-cooled inline-4 engine delivers smooth, usable power, and the chassis offers confident handling for its era. At this price, it's a strong candidate for someone wanting a dependable vintage Japanese motorcycle that can still be ridden regularly. Number 5. 1970 BSA A65 Lightning, $5,600, South Carolina. This fully restored 1970 BSA A65 Lightning reflects the peak of British twin development. According to the listing, both the top and bottom ends have been comprehensively rebuilt, including critical components like the sludge trap, an important detail for long-term reliability. The bike retains classic British features, such as right-side shifting and kickstart operation. With tasteful cosmetic touches and extensive documentation, this Lightning appears aimed at riders who appreciate originality paired with mechanical correctness. It's positioned as a sordid example rather than a speculative restoration, making it appealing to enthusiasts who want a British classic they can actually enjoy. Number 6. 1971 Yamaha R5, $2,250, South Carolina. The Yamaha R5 is the direct predecessor to the legendary RD series, and it represents Yamaha's early two-stroke street performance era. This all-original example reportedly ran well before being parked in 2009 and still has free-moving internals with good compression. While it hasn't been started in years, its originality and completeness make it an attractive candidate for careful recommissioning. R5 models are increasingly appreciated for their simplicity, lightweight design, and strong historical link to later performance icons. At this price, it sits firmly in project territory but offers strong long-term enthusiast appeal. Number 7. 1985 Moto Guzzi California 2, $2,400, North Carolina. Moto Guzzi's California 2 blends Italian character with long-distance comfort. Powered by a 1000cc transverse V-twin and shaft drive, this bike is designed for durability and relaxed touring. With over 50,000 miles, it's clearly been used as intended, yet the seller describes it as running well and ready to ride. These models are known for stable handling, distinctive styling, and mechanical longevity when properly maintained. At this price point, it represents a cost-effective way to experience classic Moto Guzzi ownership without stepping into collector pricing. Number 8. 1981 Suzuki GS650G, $1,000, Florida. The GS650G is Suzuki's shaft-driven middleweight, designed for reliability and comfort. This example has been stored for several years and does not currently run, but it remains complete with title in hand. These GS models are known for robust engines and simple mechanical layouts, making them popular with home mechanics. At just $1,000, this bike is clearly aimed at someone seeking a restoration or revival project. With the right attention, it could return to the road as a dependable vintage standard with low ongoing costs. Number 9. 1975 Laverda 750 SF2, $4,995, Maryland. The Laverda 750 SF2 is an uncommon Italian twin from the 1970s, known for its strong performance and distinctive engineering philosophy. This example is described as a project bike due to long-term storage, but it includes period accessories like ace mufflers and bar-end mirrors. With around 65 horsepower, these bikes were considered powerful in their day and remain engaging to ride. Laverdas occupy a niche market, appealing to collectors who want something different from British or Japanese classics. This listing reflects that balance between rarity and restoration needs. Number 10. 1984 Honda Goldwing Aspencade, $2,500, South Carolina. By 1984, the Honda Goldwing had fully established itself as a premium touring motorcycle. This Aspencade 1200 is described as running smoothly with a working radio despite speaker issues. With nearly 60,000 miles, it reflects the long-distance nature of Goldwing ownership. These bikes are known for comfort, reliability, and extensive factory features. At this price, it's positioned as an affordable touring classic, ideal for riders who value comfort and mechanical refinement over minimalist styling. Number 11. 1976 Triumph Bonneville, $5,800, South Carolina. This 1976 Triumph Bonneville features several mechanical upgrades, including electronic ignition, rebuilt carburetors, and refreshed engine components. With just over 12,000 miles, it remains relatively low mileage for its age. The Bonneville name carries strong recognition, and mid-1970s examples are increasingly appreciated for their blend of classic looks and improved reliability. This listing positions the bike as ride-ready, making it suitable for enthusiasts who want a traditional British twin without taking on a full restoration. Number 12. 1986 Suzuki Intruder 700, $800, Florida. The Suzuki Intruder 700 reflects mid-1980s cruiser styling with a compact V-twin layout. This example is incomplete in paperwork, but reportedly ran when parked and comes with numerous extra parts. It's clearly aimed at someone comfortable sorting wiring and finishing a stalled customization project. At this price, it represents one of the most affordable entry points into vintage cruiser ownership, albeit with administrative considerations depending on local title requirements. Number 13. 1973 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $7,500, Georgia. This numbers-matching 1973 Shovelhead FLH has recently received professional servicing, including carburetor work and brake system updates. With just 16,000 miles, it sits on the lower end of usage for a touring Harley of this era. The Electra Glide is known for its long-distance comfort and classic big twin presence. With documented recent work, this example is positioned as a ready-to-ride vintage Harley rather than a restoration project. Number 14. 1982 Kawasaki GPZ550, $3,500, New Jersey. The GPZ550 represents Kawasaki's early move toward sport-oriented street bikes. This example has exceptionally low mileage and has recently undergone comprehensive servicing after decades in storage. With completed carburetor work, new consumables, and a clear title, it offers a rare opportunity to own a lightly used example of an early sport machine. These bikes are increasingly recognized for their role in shaping modern sport bike design. Number 15. 1995 BMW R100 RT, $4,800, Pennsylvania. The 1995 BMW R100 RT marks the final year of BMW's air-cooled boxer production. This example benefits from recent servicing, new consumables, factory luggage, and a current safety inspection. As one of the last airheads built, it carries historical significance alongside proven touring comfort. For many enthusiasts, this model represents the end of an era, combining decades of refinement with classic BMW engineering. Those are today's real classic motorcycles for sale across the U.S. For more real listings, real prices, and real market insight, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer.